You owe the IRS $2 million, and you decide the easiest solution isn't to pay it, it's to leave. You move abroad, keep your money in accounts overseas, and figure distance solves what negotiation never could. Here's what actually happens next. The first thing that changes isn't your bank account. It's your passport. Since federal law changed to address exactly this situation, the State Department is required to deny, revoke, or restrict the passport of anyone certified by the IRS as having seriously delinquent tax debt, a threshold that $2 million clears without question. You don't get a warning phone call before this happens. The certification is a data transfer between two federal agencies, and by the time you notice, your passport renewal gets silently rejected, or worse, your existing passport gets revoked while you're standing at a foreign airport counter with nowhere to actually go. Within the first few months, you assume the debt just sits there, growing slowly, a problem for a future version of you. It doesn't sit still. Interest compounds daily, and failure to pay penalties stack on top of that, meaning the $2 million you owed the day you left the country is already a meaningfully larger number by the time anyone catches up to you. You open new accounts overseas, assuming a foreign address makes you invisible to a domestic agency. It doesn't work that way anymore. The same automatic financial reporting agreements that catch offshore account holders apply just as directly to a U.S. citizen who owes back taxes, regardless of physical location. Citizenship, not geography, is what creates the obligation in the first place. By month 6, the IRS files a notice of federal tax lien, a public legal claim against everything you own, everywhere, whether you're standing in the country or not. It attaches to property, to future inheritances, to assets you haven't even acquired yet. Distance doesn't dissolve a lien. It just means you find out about its consequences later than you would have at home. Here's the part almost nobody accounts for going in. Many countries have tax treaties and mutual collection assistance agreements with the United States, meaning a foreign government can, in specific circumstances, actually help collect a debt owed to the IRS as if it were their own. The country you move to for distance may be legally positioned to work against you instead of for you. Your employer, if you're still earning U.S.-sourced income from abroad, receives a levy notice requiring them to withhold from every payment until the debt is satisfied. Foreign employment doesn't insulate a paycheck the way people assume. If the income has any U.S. connection at all, distance changes nothing about the government's ability to reach it. By month 9, if you try to renew a U.S. passport or apply for a new one, the application gets flagged instantly against the certification still sitting in the system. You can't simply outlast the debt by staying away. The moment you need any U.S. government service that touches your identity, the flag resurfaces exactly where you left it. The $2 million you thought you escaped by leaving becomes a number that follows every part of your legal identity. Your passport, your credit history back home, any U.S.-based assets your family still holds, even your ability to co-sign anything domestically for someone else. Leaving didn't remove you from the system. It just meant the system caught up to you somewhere with worse options for negotiating a resolution. So you end up with a larger debt than the one you left with, a restricted passport that limits how you move through the rest of the world, a lien attached to assets you haven't even acquired yet, and a country you moved to that may be legally obligated to help collect against you. The version of you that skipped the country didn't outrun the $2 million. He just spent 9 months finding out how far the obligation actually reaches. The system was never trying to catch someone who moved abroad. Moving abroad is completely legal, done every day, for every reason imaginable. It was only ever waiting for the moment leaving got confused with disappearing. If this changed how you think about what getting away with it actually looks like underneath the surface, that's exactly what this channel exists to do. The real math hiding beneath the systems you deal with every day, explain the way nobody bothers to explain it. Like and subscribe for the next one.